Most people think metabolism is all about genetics. Something you're either born with, or not, but what if that's wrong? What if the reason you're tired, storing fat, or struggling to lose weight has nothing to do with your DNA? And everything to do with your morning routine? Because here's the truth. There are 5 subtle habits millions of people do each morning. Without knowing, they're slowing down their metabolism before the day even begins. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they are. And how to reverse them starting tomorrow. But first, if you care about energy, health, and burning fat naturally, tap that subscribe button now so you don't miss the next metabolic mistake. Now let's start with the most common one. 1. Skipping breakfast, or eating the wrong one. Intermittent fasting has its place, but skipping breakfast without understanding your body's signals can lead to cortisol spikes, low blood sugar, and a metabolism that's half asleep by 10 a.m. And if your idea of breakfast is a muffin, toast, or cereal, you're basically pouring sugar into a slow fire. Here's the fix. Eat a high-protein breakfast, think eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Add healthy fats like avocado or nuts. Limit sugars and refined carbs, or your body will be storing fat, not burning it. Quick pause. If you're already seeing a mistake you make daily, give this video a like and subscribe for more health upgrades like this one. 2. Not drinking water first thing. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. And dehydration slows down every system, including your metabolism. In fact, studies show that drinking just 16 ounces of water in the morning can boost metabolism by up to 30% for the next hour. But most people, they go straight to coffee on an empty stomach. Which makes dehydration and cortisol worse. Start your morning with a tall glass of water. Bonus. Add lemon or a pinch of sea salt for extra hydration. And digestion support. It sounds simple, but it makes a powerful difference. 3. Checking your phone immediately. You might think this has nothing to do with metabolism. But the truth is, when you wake up and flood your brain with emails, texts, or doom scrolling, you instantly trigger your stress response. And chronic stress equals elevated cortisol. That slows metabolism and signals your body to store belly fat. Here's a better habit. Spend your first 20 minutes device-free. Get sunlight, stretch, drink water, or just breathe. Let your body ease into alertness, not panic. You'll feel calmer and burn more efficiently. 4. Skipping movement in the first hour. You don't need a full workout. But if you spend your morning completely sedentary, you're telling your metabolism to stay slow all day. Movement activates mitochondria, the engines that burn fat for energy. Even 5 to 10 minutes of stretching, walking, or light body movement can jumpstart metabolic processes and help regulate your appetite. Later, try a brisk walk, a short yoga session, or even light bodyweight exercises. Just move, your metabolism will follow. Take a second. If you're realizing mornings are more powerful than you thought, make sure to subscribe. We go deep on these hidden health levers every week. 5. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach. This one surprises most people. Coffee isn't the enemy. But drinking it before eating anything can spike cortisol and mess with insulin, leading to energy crashes, cravings, and sluggish fat burning later in the day. Plus, it's dehydrating, which only makes things worse. Here's what to do. Eat a small meal or snack before your coffee. Or drink your water first, then wait 20 to 30 minutes before your caffeine hit. Your body will metabolize caffeine more efficiently. Let's recap. Are you making these metabolism mistakes? Here are the 5 habits that secretly ruin metabolism every morning. Skipping breakfast or choosing sugar. Not hydrating immediately after waking. Flooding your brain with phone notifications. Drinking coffee before food or water. And you can start tomorrow morning. These aren't extreme changes. They're foundational shifts that tell your body to burn, not store. And once you reset your mornings, your metabolism finally starts working with you. So, if you found yourself in any of those 5 habits, know this: you're not broken. You've just been trained to wake up in a way that blocks Your body's natural potential changed that rhythm. And you change everything. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe, so you never miss a morning mistake again. Your metabolism is listening now, it's your mood. Let me know if you'd like a follow-up script on the 7 nighttime habits that make you gain fat while you sleep.